भाजपाचो राष्ट्रीय प्रवक्ता डॉक्टर संबित पात्रा मोदी सरकाराक 3 वर्सां पुराय जाल्ल्या त्या खातीर भाजपाच्या बसकेक संबोधित करपाक गोंयांत आयिल्लो. मात तो मोदी सरकाराचेर उलोवपाच्या बदला फक्त काँग्रेसीचेर उलयलो. हाचो अर्थ तांचे कडेन भाजपाच्या कार्याचेर उलोवपाक कांय ना म्हण थमणो काँग्रेसीचो म्हणण्यारो यतीश नायक हांणी मारला. आरडीएक्स को ब्युरो.
बीजेपीचो नॅशनल स्पोक्सपर्सन संबित पात्रा म्हणून गोंयांत आयलो. तो गोंयांत आयलो मोदी सरकाराक 3 वर्सां जालीं म्हणून प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स एड्रेस करपा खातीर. पूण जेन्ना तो गोंयांत आयलो तो काँग्रेसीचेर उलयलो. You see, he comes to Goa to speak on Modi government's performance of 3 years in power. But when he comes to Goa, he speaks on Congress party. Unfounded things he spoke. That's because he has no achievements to his credit. Modi government is lackluster, no performance. So what could he have spoken? He spoke on matters which had no achievements to reflect. He should have answered 5 points which are most crucial if you want to assess Modi government's performance. Number 1, why did he not speak as to when Modi government is going to keep its pre-election promise of depositing 15 lakh rupees into the accounts of each countryman? Why did he not speak on this issue of beef and cow vigilantism? Why did he not give figures, if he had anything to his credit, to show how many people in this country have got jobs? Why did he not show how many people during the tenure of Modi government have come from below poverty line to above poverty line? Why did he not speak of Modi's failure to appoint a full-time defense minister in this country when there are so much of skirmishes at the borders? You see, Mr. Patra spoke on no performance. He spoke on no achievements. That's because there are no achievements and no performance. And he speaks things which are completely unfounded against the Congress party. So what he has spoken only exposes his ignorance and bankruptcy.